In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix cursor jumping issues on Windows 10. Cursor jumping can be an annoying problem, but with a few simple steps, you can resolve it quickly. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to ensure your mouse and touchpad drivers are up to date. To do this, go to your Device Manager. You can easily find it by typing Device Manager in the search bar next to your Start menu. Once you're in, scroll down and find the section labeled Mice and Other Pointing Devices. Right-click on your mouse or touchpad from the list and select Update Driver. Follow the prompts to search for updated driver software. Updated drivers can fix bugs that might cause cursor jumping, so it's an essential first step. Next, open the control panel. You can find the control panel by searching for it in the Start menu. Once open, look for the Hardware and Sound option and click on it. This is where you'll find settings related to your devices. Inside Hardware and Sound, locate and click on Mouse. This will open a new window with mouse settings. Here, navigate to the Pointers tab. In this tab, you'll see a setting that says Use Default. Select this option. Sometimes custom pointer schemes can cause issues, and reverting to the default might fix the problem. Still in the mouse settings, switch over to the Pointer Options tab. Here, you might want to adjust your pointer speed. If the speed is set too high, it might feel like the cursor is jumping. Slide the bar to adjust it to a comfortable speed that suits your working style. Also in the Pointer Options tab, you'll see a checkbox labeled Enhance Pointer Precision. Uncheck this box. While this feature can be helpful, it sometimes causes erratic cursor movement, so disabling it might help stop the jumping. Another box you'll see here says Hide Pointer while typing. This feature can lead to difficulties if the cursor disappears unexpectedly. Go ahead and uncheck this box so the pointer never unexpectedly vanishes. Once you're happy with the changes, click Apply to set them in motion, and then hit OK to close the window. These adjustments should help curb the cursor jumping significantly. Finally, it's always a good idea to restart your computer after making these changes. A restart will make sure all your new settings are fully implemented and might solve any lingering issues. That's it. By following these steps, you should have a smoother experience with your cursor in Windows 10. If problems persist, consider checking for any external hardware issues or consulting with support. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you take control over your mouse once again.